It's a jungle. Today we explore.
Stay close, everyone. Let's learn animal names together.
Hello Pofy, wild animal song.
Woo! Hello Pofy.
Lion, 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 they're king of the jungle.
Lion.
Monkey, 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 jump.
Jump, jump, monkey.
He's so funny.
Animals, animals, wild and free. Say their names with Pofy and me.
Pofy, we should go back to Mama and Papa now. Let's see a few more animals and then we'll go back. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. I can't reach that high. That's why giraffes are special. Come on, Mimi. Let's find more animals. Okay, let's go.
Elephant, elephant, elephant.
Big, big elephant.
Big or tall or short or wide. Animal names, say with pride. Bear, 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 furry, furry friend.
Bear.
Tiger, tiger, tiger toe. Roar, roar.
Tiger.
Strong and fast, hear them roar. Animal names, learn some more.
You should always tell Mama or Papa before going anywhere. It's safer that way.
Sorry, Mama.
Wolf, 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 you howl, howl, wolf. Deer, 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 are here.
Run, run, deer.
In the forest, night and day, animals leave and run and play.
Hey, where were you guys? We were getting worried.
Sorry, Papa. We should have told you.
Now, let's go find more animals together.
Gorilla, 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 you strong, strong
Gorilla.
crocodile, 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 God.
Snap, snap, crocodile.
These some are big and some are small. The old animals love them all.
It's time to sleep now.
Good night.
Snake, 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 slither, snake. Hiss, 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 move so slow. Animal names, now you know. Wild animals, wild animals. Yes, 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 yes. Hello Pofy says again. They learn